FolioLens is for real estate investors who are struggling to achieve financial freedom due to archaic processes and siloed data. Initially, we actually looked at some of the average day-to-day tools that you would use, and what we realized was it was very hard to manage these tools, especially working with archaic systems that property management companies use. We saw that AWS was doing this with mortgage companies, with insurance companies, and so we started looking at OCR technology for that particular problem that we were encountering. In the old system that we were kind of envisioning, we had a few parts, which is like once we identify it's a document, we still have to go in and manually put in information specific to a particular property or a lease agreement. With Textract, we've observed that we reduced that by 50%. So we saw accuracy initially of around 75 to 85% based on the pipeline we were using. What we are also doing in addition to that is using some other services within AWS so we can close the gap further in terms of accuracy, closer to 90-95%. From a non-tech savvy customer, when their first response is, wow, this is cool, it automatically figures out which property it needs to map to and what the document type is. For the more tech savvy customers, they now see the review phase when we extract data, and then they can see how that data is going to be used for tasks. So those are two valuable points of feedback where they're now seeing how they can reduce their tasks or their to-do lists in their day-to-day management.